terrestrial animals. The animals are sad. Let's help them. Move the animals to their carts. Yes, it's a hare. Well done. That's an elephant. That's right. It's a bear. Yay! You got all the animals.
Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie.
The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the animal's plate. Well done. A hare eats carrots. Well done. An elephant eats apples. Good girl. A bear eats acorns. What a job you did. You fed all the animals.
Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boom boogie boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Well done. That's the elephant's house. Right, that's the bear's house. Yes, that's the hare's house.